Good morning, everyone, for our Thursday morning live stream. Um, I think like this week, one of the most important thing, at least to me personally, is the Grok bot. Alvin, did you have a chance to try it out?
Not yet, but I have gone through the news about the Grok 4.6 and their agent.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
yeah.
many people are surprised they even provide a virtual machine, which capability is very good compared to other.
It
Yeah,
is. It's so crazy to be honest. Like I tried it for a little bit, not extensively, but you can freely connect to your Gmail, to all the apps that you're already using, for example, Notion, Slack, right? And if you are a developer, it also, I mean, I think like if you are a developer, maybe you don't need this kind of like easy installation. But if you are not a developer, then Dropbox really provide you a very in easy to interact interface where you can just say, okay, I want you to connect me to my several Gmails, and then you can just literally click. They will ask you, oh, which ones you want to integrate into, and then you say, oh, I want to integrate three Gmails. Those are the names, and then you just do it
mm,
step by step. So so it literally just like converting all the command line outputs into like easy to click choices. I really feel like we are the rats, but this is
yeah,
what it really is, right? It converts it into the options and the buttons you can click on, where you don't have to do all those integrations manually.
yeah.
And then
That's
I
so
feel
good.
like this is like the normal people's open cloud moment, right? Several months ago, people were still
Yeah,
paying other people to install open cloud. In Chinese, we call it 龙虾. But now I think like you just need to download the Grok
OpenClaw is
bot.
very dumb. Yeah, so many flaws, and
Yeah,
yeah. And actually,
but
I think almost already solved many problems OpenCloud has that may, if we try to run a agent by ourselves, we need to solve the many problems produ produced by what we call gateway. We need to restart gateway very often when we use OpenCloud, and then almost solve this problem and provide many their all native functions. Yeah, and for now we are moving to another new stage by
I
Grok.
agree. Yeah,
Thanks
I
for,
mean,
yeah, Elon. Yeah, we love you.
yeah. No, yesterday I saw a tweet. The tweet is about like, oh, if you know like what's the best revenge, or what it's like, how much can you hate a company? It's like you work for the company that you hate the most, like its competitor. And
Mm,
I thought about myself. I'm like, I hate Verizon so much. They're the worst in terms of like treating their customer, and they are like defaulting, or they are double charging me but not refunding me. And then I was like, okay, maybe I should just send a tweet and say I want to work for Starlink, because I use Starlink
yeah,
in
yeah,
the
yeah. I
mountains,
know you
literally in
love
the
it
mountains.
very much. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, okay, maybe I should find like an ambassador role or whatever at Starlink, and just like for for the next like several years, I gonna be like, okay, I gonna promote Starlink to everyone, to all the retail users, and then so that everybody move off Verizon services. You know?
Yeah. Actually, yeah, I also posted a thread, a post about Starlink Day. Or I
Mm,
think that's, yeah, it's worth discussing many like roadmap by Starlink and SpaceX AI. They are all work
let,
together, and many integrations are very important for the
let's
whole
do it.
industry.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let
I
me see.
mean, uh, let me first go to Grokbolt. I wish I could
Mm,
share like the screen share for my interface, but I'm just a bit concerned about more like security issues. Anyway,
Um, simply, it will be safe if you simply share the interface. Yeah, not any like key link or
yeah, I will just share like the tweets, because I think literally like 2 days ago, Grok posted this
computer, so
in
you can keep doing work.
post this video, and then
And it's something that I'm totally comfortable being hands off with.
I have.
Oh, they got another fantastic handle box. Holy
what do you mean? Fantastic. Oh
handle.
yes. Wow.
Wow,
Wow.
that's powerful.
I mean, if I'm Elon, I definitely gonna save all those like handles to myself. Okay, I'm not going to let other
Yes.
people auction it off.
Yes, it's
Like,
very
convenient.
also very powerful for the like the strategy acquiring Twitter previously. I think Elon has made many plans for his
Did you
like
see?
empire, Elon empire.
Did you
Oh, you
see?
can
There was one tweet.
directly translate the post into English.
There was one tweet that Elon sent out, and there's one person asked him, "Hey, I saw we were promised flying cars," and then Elon was saying like, "Yeah, flying cars are coming."
Flying cars? Oh my
Yes,
God. I'm a big fan of
exactly.
Harry Potter.
No, it's not just okay. Let me find that. Okay, let me find actually. So there's
Uh,
literally a tweet about Elon doing that. But then
so
if you think
crazy.
about like flying cars in the movie Fifth Element, it's also have a lot of like flying cars around the world. So I guess flying cars are coming over.
Can I imagine? Yeah.
Mm, mm-hmm. Don't know when it's gonna come, but maybe like 5, 10 years later. I'm super excited for that.
Yeah, we are living in such a unimaginable world. So many things way beyond our imagination.
Yeah, all the
Months by
Neo
months.
Club.
Hmm?
I was going to like shift us into the discussion for the Neo Cloud stocks.
Yeah, actually, we mentioned these words like several times, and also photonics since last month. Mm.
Mm.
Yeah, and SpaceX surely, like, indeed bounced many since the
Yeah,
bottom.
SpaceX. That's crazy. I mean, Tuesday when we live stream, it was at like 133 or 134. Yesterday, it surged to like 149, and now it's at 141.82.
Yeah, 40
So
also.
yeah,
Still a lot. But next date we need to follow up is like a week after after like 20th because there are another lock for the stocks.
correct. There's more unlock for the stocks coming exactly on August 20th.
Yeah.
So that's like 7 days from now. So next
Yes.
Thursday. Um,
Yeah.
I feel like so basically all of the companies that's created by Elon, like Starlink, SpaceX, Grok, Grokbot, are all falling under SpaceX as the brand, except for Tesla. And then so a lot of people are speculating that like Tesla will be merged into SpaceX as the
Yeah,
overall.
for sure. Interesting. Oh yeah, because they are like two separate stocks right now, right? So maybe
Yeah,
they will merge to one in the future. We don't know.
that we don't know. But I do know a lot of big traders or even larger funds. The founder
Hmm.
of those larger funds, they talk about like how much they are a fan of Elon Musk, and they have been loading up Tesla stocks as an option because
Oh,
they speculate that Tesla will have a merge of the stock ticker in the future with SpaceX, and they think
mm,
like it's a better deal to buy Tesla than buying SpaceX.
mm, I see.
Mm. But yeah, this week I feel like all the neo cloud companies, MBIS, you have like CoreWeave, they all surged significantly, which is crazy. And if you
Yeah,
really think about
Corey
like,
is like the first batch of the stocks bouncing back.
yeah, like, and those were all Leopold holdings, stock
A-
holdings.
a- Yeah, actually, I remember like Corey's the direct competitor. Speaking of SpaceX.
Yeah. And then wow, this MBIS almost surged, I think,
30% or even higher.
190 to 260, 40 or 50 at least.
Yeah, actually, I mentioned like Corey
Yeah,
2
40%.
days ago. 2 days ago, yeah, about NVIDIA and SpaceX.
Wow. Hmm.
Yeah, and another like bad news for the whole memory stock is they are still affected by the Chinese companies. Not only let me see the name of the companies. Not only the CXMT, but also another one called Changjiang Sunsu, YMTC. Um, like there is a tweet they saying that shipments of memory chips is passing like Micron, SanDisk, and Hillshire. It's crazy. Yeah.
But
So
who are they
mm,
supplying to for those chips?
for the whole market, yeah, let me find the tweet. It's posted by Jukan, yeah, the analyst. You can directly see the range.
Is he still longing or shorting like the memory stocks? What is he doing?
Maybe I can directly share the photo because he posts like 5 to 10 posts every day. So
Mm-mm.
yeah, okay, I got. Yeah, so actually it's another reason why I don't trade memory related stocks often recently because there are so many more uncertainty compared to like months ago. I think it's entering a difficult difficult mode compared to other sectors in the market. Yeah, we can
Correct.
see the market share is becoming um not only we talk like 2 or 3 big companies before, many other new competitors. Yeah,
So the
maybe this
biggest
one
is
is
still Samsung, SanDisk, Micron, SK Hynix. Who is the 9% here?
I don't know. So solid. Let me find the name.
And then 14% is like Kyosha. The other 14% I couldn't tell.
Oh, it's a like NAND department of Intel acquired by Hynix 5 years ago. Six
Oh,
yeah,
so it's part
so
of
it's
Intel.
also yeah, part of Hynix. Yeah, acquired by Hynix.
Got it. I see. I see.
Yeah, so
So
that's why there is a 22%. Yeah, Hynix is still the second one. Yeah. So actually here are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 competitors mm, in the market.
interesting. Um, and then what? Uh, wait, let me remove this. And then I think like today we do want to talk a little bit more about like what's Elon's plan
Yeah,
for the SpaceX whole brand. Now I think I've seen so many tweets about all the Elon's like app are occupying most of your phone. There are like 6 individual apps you can download from Elon.
Yeah.
Let me
Um,
Elon.
I think actually the whole world is becoming totally different when Elon acquired X Twitter like many years ago.
Yeah. So
It's
now you can install
wow,
Tesla, Robo
so many.
Taxi,
Yeah,
Grok,
let's ignore
Twitter.
X shit because actually it's not
X,
like
yeah, X
as useful
chat
as
is.
other products actually.
I don't use Twitter chat at all. I mean, sometimes
Me
I
too.
really check it. I I still check my DM, but not that frequently. I probably have to do it. On the other side, like all the other apps are super useful. Starlink, Grokbot, Grok. I don't use Grok that often, but Grokbot, I use it. I just started to use it, and I'm very excited about the robo taxi because I feel like that's like one way where we're gonna save a lot on the taxi costs. But on
Mm.
the other side, it's like it gonna improve the security. Um,
Ah, I see.
I just think like human drivers are much more reckless than the bots in a
Exactly.
lot of like different ways. Yeah,
Mm.
like human drivers are very emotional. Human drivers are can be tired, but bots, uh, I think it's much easier to control the quality of the driving.
And actually, there's a potential problem for male drivers, like sexual harassment for the clients and users.
Yeah, I mean, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Uh, right now, I think a couple of apps it even allows you to have the option where you can like just select or you want to have a female driver. Um,
But we cannot choose um drivers actually.
what do you mean like in Taiwan you can't really you don't have like female specific drivers?
No. We cannot choose. Just
I think like
all are random. Mm.
no, I think in some of the apps. Let me check. I literally remember this. That's why I'm talking about this.
You mean people can choose the gender of drivers?
No, you have an option where you can say I want a female driver,
Oh, really?
not randomly assigned.
Oh, I see. Um, yeah, I
So
haven't checked it. Mm.
yeah, popular women drivers,
Ah,
and
but
it
yeah,
costs 3 more.
actually, male drivers can uh won't do like anything to me. Um, so it's okay for me.
Are
Yeah.
you sure? Are you sure?
Uh, not haven't not happened like before.
So yes, in different apps, including Uber, you can choose women drivers if you're concerned about security. And in the future, once like or not in the future, right now, if you hail a robo taxi, I guess you don't need to worry about the gender anymore. But the only thing I will be concerned is okay, well, we are
Mm.
already kind of like monitored and video taped all the time by CCTV by whenever we enter a building. So that I think I'm okay. So yes,
Mm.
um, yeah, I'm excited. And
Yeah,
just think about it,
here's the
like
thing. The author of
mm,
the post saying, "Oh, that we need a standalone X Money app." Hmm. Is it
so
a
he's also
mm, is it a service they are going to roll out? They have always like planning this product in the past few years, right? But not yet published. like X Money app.
What do you mean? Sorry.
I remember Elon, the team has researched and published many news about these before in the past few years, but not yet. I don't know where these services are gonna be rolled out in the future.
No, those are already all live. Those apps we just showed is already live.
Oh, I mean the X Money app.
Oh, he is asking in standalone X Money app. X Money is already
Yeah.
live, but it's like live within X.
Ah, I see.
Yeah. So I think basically people are asking for better user experience for all those
Yeah.
different apps. On the other side, we really don't know what's on Elon's plate to
Mm.
launch next. But personally speaking, when I test out the Grok bot, I already know a lot of other AI founders that I know they have developed something similar internally just for their team to I guess like communicate or utilize AI bots better. But the fact that like Elon could tackle this or release this kind of functionality and application in such a quickly manner, I'm really impressed. And this does have a lot of product market fit. Yeah, I'm just worried about my wallet because this gonna cost like $200 a month, and then we also have like Cloud Code. We also have ChatGPT. Like all the AI subscriptions are like if you add all it up together easily, it's like $2,000, $1,000 a month.
Yeah. Actually, we don't need so much convenience to some extent. Yeah, we need to like separate the different apps and to lower the risk. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like maybe I will start to slowly reduce some of the subscriptions that I've been using and just focus on the one that I really need and then cancel some of the overlap services.
Yeah.
But going back to all the stocks or whatever, I do feel like no matter how we reduce, we will still have some essential subscriptions that we have to use in our daily life, right? And I think like it will be really cool, if one day Elon says, "Oh, he gonna combine all the some of the subscription models, like maybe you can pay Twitter Premium, you can pay Starlink, you can also pay Grokbot, and then it have like a really good bundle offering. I feel like many people
Yeah.
are gonna move
I think I will
because
buy
of
it.
that bundle.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
I will definitely.
we are already cannot live without like X, right? And next maybe Tesla, robot taxi, many more services on the way. Yeah.
Yeah, if any kind of bundle offering, let's say essential bundle offering is coming out, then I will switch.
Yeah, and also buy the stocks together.
Buy the stock.
Be the user
Oh.
and investor at the same time. Yeah.
True. Ah, true. Wow. All right. Next topic. I think like again, kudos to Elon. And then I will do a little bit more experiment and probably like I can share some of my chat history with Grokbot. Because I literally was just using Grokbot to prioritize and source through my emails. It's just like so smart. I
Yeah, it would
used
be
to
nice.
pay
Oh,
maybe like $15 a month to just like for the email on subscriber organizer. Now like it's all kind of included.
yeah, actually I also run this function on cloud like since last month. It's called like a morning brief, one of the functions which is native building in on cloud website. And it can go through all the messages in your mailbox and Slack, any other apps you are connected with, and provide a morning brief when you wake up. I think it's very useful because there are so many contents, like you say, um, bunch of newsletters we subscribe, but we won't open it every day, right? So we can prioritize the the contents we need to follow up with at a specific period of time and make AI to provide some brief uh as we need. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's so nice.
I agree. Um,
There's so many like newsletters every day. Yeah. I nearly like subscribe new brand of like different industries weekly, like or monthly. Yeah, so many.
what is it?
I mean, there are so many contents unmanageable right now. So these functions is very useful. Mm, we can
Yeah,
do more automation, manage all the things.
to be honest, like there are too many AI slobs, and I try to
Yeah.
really manage my Twitter feed, and I just failed. And I
Mm,
literally I have zero patience going through all those AI slobs.
yeah. Here's a report of books saying these phenomenon actually in the future, lower than 5% of people will know how world is going on and which content is real in the future because people don't care about it anymore in the future. So it's very horrible. It's a very horrible phenomenon because, like you say, we are surrounded by AI slobs, but um, many people cannot get rid of it, and they are going to lose their mind and lose the ability to think. Mm, it's very horrible.
Uh,
Mm.
yeah, you kind of really need all the brands or the tools to distinguish the AI generated content versus like okay, completely like
Yeah,
generated by yourself.
source. Yes,
Um,
source is very important. Mm.
but again, I mean, Alvin, there never has been a lot of independent thinkers in this world to begin with. Like, I'm not trying to be this pessimistic person, but I'm just saying, like, if
Mm,
you really talk about the percentage of people who do or who does like independent
mm,
thinking, it will be a small percentage. And then in
mm,
reality, it's like many people they saw they are doing independent thinking, but again, all the source or the information are coming from very specific sources. So
mm,
human beings or the general public, everyone is kind of manipulated by the information flow all the
mm,
time. It's just
mm.
like AI makes
Yeah,
it even worse to it just AI makes it even harder to distinguish AI stuff from like the real human being generated content. And even if it's generated by real human being, it doesn't really mean it is like good content.
yeah,
Maybe
yeah, yeah,
sometimes
yeah.
AI generated
Well
content
said.
are more logical, right? So
Yeah, they do this on purpose by human
mm,
beings. Mm.
so I'm not. I guess I'm not too worried. It's you. We are seeing the overflow for sure. But uh, that's it.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Hmm. And going back to, I think Anthropic also just have a new round of fundraising or some kind of news this morning. I'm trying to figure.
Oh yes, yes. 2 days ago. Mm.
So it's like
Saying
it's
they are meeting with their investors in private, right?
yeah. Basically, the Anthropic investors they are betting on a 2 trillion valuation in October IPO, the largest stock market debut
Mm,
ever. And then backers expect okay, let me pull out the news so everybody can look at it together. Backers annualized revenue to reach 100 to 120 billion by year end, up more than 10x during 2026. Anthropic was valued at 965 billion in May after raising nearly 100 billion this year. One investor told the FT, if Anthropic is growing 800% a year, even a 30x revenue multiple could value it at 3 trillion. And that's despite Opus 5. Investors are presumably expecting a lead in Anthropic's and new models soon. While I was using Grok bot, I feel like all the other AI companies, including Anthropic or OpenAI, they should also release similar functionality soon, because
Yep.
they're gonna realize, okay, this is literally like what the retail users wanted. So for that, I feel like we I mean, all the users will start to see the similar level of competition that we have seen from like all the AI models, right? Because we always see, oh, Grok, Anthropic, Meta, OpenAI, they are competing the functionality, how good their models are.
Yep.
And yeah,
The competition is becoming much stronger than ever. Yeah. Oh, and actually, Circle is performing good. Like we say,
yeah, like
for now,
yeah.
60, right?
Let me
Next
see.
time
No,
is
it's 72. It's already 72.7. No, last time
yeah
what we were talking about is that like when the
60,
stock is at it
60
was
or
at like last week it was, or several weeks ago it was always around 60 or 62 or even
yeah
59. But what
yeah
we said is like, even if like, oh, people are releasing, for example, like negative information about Circle, it doesn't really drop the stock price anymore. And we said, oh, this is probably the bottom. This is
yeah
like, no matter how many negative news they try to release, it's still like similar price level.
yeah, not affected by the bad news, so it's the bottom.
Yeah, it's pretty true. And now it's just like slowly going up.
Slowly uptrend.
Yeah, uptrend, I
So good.
guess.
Yeah, though the inflow of BTC ETF is slow. The amount is not so still not so big. But it's
Wow.
already better than months ago. Wow, Intel. Oh, memory
Wow,
stocks.
look at the
Bouncing
SKFY.
back.
It is climbing back to 162. This is I mean, I think people are just are they expecting more of the bullish news for the stock market, for the semiconductor stocks?
Yeah, because CPI, the data stats of CPI published last night is also very good
Yeah, wow.
under the expectation.
Wow.
So we can see many like stocks bouncing back, including Intel. Wow, hype is nearly back to 60 again.
Yeah, there are so many people talking about they want to see hype drop back to around 40. I'm like, what okay, sure.
It's so difficult actually.
We haven't seen hype back to like 40 for a really long time. I feel like many months is.
Yep.
Wow.
Nice. And Micron is nearly back to 1K.
No, 956.
Yeah, not far.
Yes. It looks like everything is getting back on track.
Yeah, seems like that. Hope so.
Wow.
Yeah. Like Broadcom and Marvel is also so good.
Oh yes, I haven't checked the Marvel. Let's check the Marvel. Broad go. Yeah, I feel like everything is going up today.
Yep.
Wow.
Let's
Wow.
find
I
if there are any like bad news in the future in the upcoming weeks, if any. Hmm.
Is there
Maybe.
any more like earnings report or
Oh, um, let me see.
I saw Zero Hedge, which I feel like he
Mm.
is the number one anti-signal. Okay, I don't want to say this, but that's how
Oh,
I
really? Oh,
I
I haven't seen his posts very often, so I don't know much
not
about.
like anti-signal, but whenever he talk about something, it's like if he talk about that thing like positively, then the stock gonna drop. If he talk about that thing negatively, then the stock gonna increase. That's like what I've seen so far. Maybe like you guys can
Actually,
go back check.
that's also difficult when people
Yeah,
when
no,
yeah.
no. I think he is just serving as a signal for. He is just working for maybe like a bigger trading group or whatever to manipulate the market.
Oh,
That's
okay.
that's what I think. But basically, he posted something like, "Oh, circular financing update," and talking about all those like big companies. They are just moving money around, right? So like Microsoft and Oracle put total of like 550 billion to OpenAI, and then OpenAI gives to AMD, to Amazon, and then OpenAI also gives back to Microsoft, Oracle, right? So all the companies are kind of like connected
Yep,
to each other and like circulating money to each other in this case.
yep.
Mm.
Everyone is bundled with together.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
And then
Oh, there's another one. Applied Materials is going to release their earnings report today. Let me see.
yeah, do you want to share the news?
Okay. Let me find the related tweets first. Mm, maybe not yet, not out yet. Yeah. Oh, here's another photo we can see. Let me share the screen. Yeah. Um, I have shared the screen so we can see. Yeah. living large. Okay, Thursday. Oh, yesterday we have Coherent, Cisco, Cerebras. And today we have Applied Materials, Bush, and oh Gemini. Huh? Okay, Friday. Mm, yeah, maybe today the most important is this one, Applied Materials. Yeah.
Gemini
Okay.
is reporting earnings report today. Oh wow.
Yes, after close. Yep.
All right, all right. Sounds good. Just
Yeah. That's why we have and FOMC is still like 2 weeks left. Oh, 1 week left.
I feel like the FOMC meeting is happening way too often. No, they should like reduce. No, it's like 4 weeks left.
Oh,
So
4 weeks
every single
left?
month, yeah, yeah, every single month or every other month you have like open market committee meeting, right? And the next one is in during September 15th to 16th.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay.
And then mm, I'm just checking a bit more news here.
Wow. Leverage thermometer is still high for the Korean market.
What is it?
It's like a retail leverage monitor. So many indicators,
It's too
and
high?
you can see the leverage thermometer is still high.
Wow.
All time high now.
It's all-time high?
Yeah. And there is another important factor. Let's see. The margin. Um, yeah, margin. Yeah, actually, the margins drop a lot since all-time high. You can see nearly 40 trillion of Korean dollar um, at end of June back to like 26. Yeah, it dropped a lot actually. So I think that's why people say, oh, Korean market is smart tend to be more stable right now. Yeah, and we can see bounce back very quickly after the bottom. So yeah, it's very important to me. We need to follow up with the the margin, the deposit money of their stock account.
Yeah,
Like that.
personally, I think like um it's really hard to tell, right? Like whether all the Korean retail users leverage is so high is impacting the global markets, because no matter what, like everyone seems to be levering up
Mm,
while they are
it's true.
trading.
Yeah,
And on
it's
the
true.
other
Yeah.
side is it's the volatility for each of the individual stocks have also increased significantly during the last
Mm,
couple
well said.
months.
Yeah,
So it's like,
everyone in the world has stored up many leverage
yeah,
in their accounts, no matter uh not only Koreans.
it's almost like a self-reinforcement loop where, okay, we see more volatility in individual stocks, so people are more willing to lever up, and then people levering up also increase the volatility of the stocks. Cool. Mm, well, I guess like good luck everyone. I don't know what else to say.
Let me see. Let me see. Quickly go through the stock following lead. Or we maybe Intel.
What for?
Yeah, for their earnings reports data. Yeah.
When are they releasing their like earnings?
You mean Corey and Nebius?
Mm.
Oh, I just saw see the post from Frank. Yeah, he's talking about the trend of what Corey and Nebius earnings report. Totally. Yeah, we can translate this post into English. Let me see.
Are you sharing your screen? Oh, okay.
Ah, it's Chinese. Maybe you can open this.
Do you want to send the link to me?
Yep.
So basically, it's like Frank's analysis on the latest like financial reports for WEAP and MBIS, and clearly, like on a financial report, it shows like the increasing demand for the for the clouds computing services. Uh, it also says like pricing power is strengthening, but not all GPU rental prices are rising uniformly. By the way, like I think like it's very clear on the other side, like when you use Grok bot, right? It automatically, or everyone is using a unique virtual machine. So
Mm,
which is like 16 GB RAM and then
yep.
256 like hard drive storage. Um, and if like Elon Musk is like making this as an industry standard or a bot standard services, then literally like all the other AI companies, they will start to provide this kind of like services.
Mm.
So yes, of course, like the cloud computing demand will be increased.
Yeah, significantly increase. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Well said. Oh, GPU is becoming more and more expensive. New GPU, big scale of swarms, productive inference.
More more data centers coming. Look at this, right?
Yeah.
CoreWeave Omni is more akin to deploying the full CoreWeave cloud to customers' own data centers and GPUs. Da, da, da.
Mm.
Sure. Both companies are upgrading toward an AI infrastructure operating system future competition where no longer be just about renting out a GPU per hour, but about providing an integrated platform for training, inference, storage, networking, model deployment, monitoring, governance, agent runtime, environment. I mean, isn't that what the Grok bot is already providing? No, like it kind of assembled the services together already here.
Mm. Is that a bullish news for Cloudflare or not? Maybe bullish, right?
I think so.
Because there are not
If it's
still not so many like infra providers, infra service provider like Cloudflare. But if AI big companies are starting to doing this kind of thing, maybe it's bearish for Cloudflare.
mm, I feel like if like the general demand from the users are increasing, then yes, we will see um we will, I mean, if the pie is becoming bigger and then assume all the companies like getting similar market shares with their current market shares, then like every company will be earning a little bit more. Uh, and then if they have the pricing power here, right?
Mm. Yeah, maybe there will be more agent-related services coming out, no matter like AI thing, but also crypto related. I don't know. Maybe it's a hopium, but I think there will be still a big narrative for the next cycle. Yeah, agent everything. Mm. We don't know.
You mean like a specific agent for crypto or what is it?
Or many scenarios still not unlocked um right now. Mm.
I let me think. I I don't know what to say. I feel like crypto, we will have more cryptex, we'll have more event driven trading, we will have more yield, but that's pretty much it. I maybe like I do see people are tapping into the on-chain trading more and more and like to improve their capital efficiency, but I really don't see the social perspective like growing. Even yesterday, I
Mm.
saw a friend whose tweet is like, "Oh, uh, like after so many years, there's not group social or social norm coming out of the crypto industry." He feels like it's coming, but I just thought it because I feel like a lot of the crypto friends that I know after being in the crypto industry for a couple of years, I realized like a lot of like the crypto users are pretty autistic.
Mm.
Uh, it's not a negative connotation. It's just like what it is. And then we think in a very analytical way compared to the average general.
Yeah.
So in that sense, like maybe we have specific ways where we prefer to be socialing with other people. That doesn't mean the general public love that. Uh,
Yeah.
in some
Yeah.
way, we are almost like truth seeking or fact based, uh, which like this gonna cause a lot of tension to, or this
Mm,
what means like we are applying a lot of pressure to other people like during the social uh,
yep.
countering.
Um, people are
That's what I
still
found.
people are still love to gamble in the crypto space. Data I shared with you previously, talking about the revenue composition of Robinhood, like only quarter two crypto revenue fell 38% year over year to 100 million, accounting for just 8% of total revenue.
Mm.
So maybe most revenue come from like the prediction market and the Robinhood chain. Oh, Robinhood chain is very small, still very small. But 51% of the trading volume stem from meme coins rather than other way. Yeah, the annualized revenue is 54.8 million, equivalent to 14% of Robinhood crypto business revenue. Mm.
Mm, mm, mm,
Still very small. Yeah.
mm. Is meme coming back? I don't know, but we shall see.
Oh, I can tell it's getting warm a little bit because there are many big KOLs back to the trench. They are receiving a collapse with pump
Yeah,
um
I
this week.
see on the timeline that people are talking about, oh, pump is literally paying them
Yes.
15K per month to trade on pump.fun. I'm like, wow, is that real?
I can see there are many top Chinese KOLs back to trench these days. It's very clear. Yeah, and all
Yeah,
are
yeah,
tier
same
one.
here.
Yeah, some big names.
Well, we are, to be honest, we're still in the middle of summer. A lot of people are on vacation. Uh, so we should just like continue to monitor where people are doing what they are focusing on, and
Yeah.
then really the trading volume gonna tell us the
Mm.
stories.
Yeah, yeah, let's like keep up with the trading volume, on-chain data, anything in the coming months. Yeah, and like KBW and token is approaching, so yeah,
Are you going?
yeah, yeah. I
Nice.
didn't go to the Japan one, so maybe it's time to go to the Korea and Singapore.
I mean, you have been to KBW, no?
I nearly I nearly went to KBW every year, like already 3 times or 4 times.
Mm, cool. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, it's a pleasure, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, and
Yeah.
hopefully you guys gonna have a great weekend. And next week we're gonna hopefully bring back some positive news from the market, and we go from there.
Yes.
Thank you guys for tuning
Yes.
in.
Yes. Looking
Bye.
forward to the Q3 or Q4 market.
Same here. Bye.
See you guys. Bye bye.